Hey everyone, it's Derek with another video, and today we're going to talk about the Seasucker. What is the Seasucker, you might ask? This is the Seasucker. And what this is really a bike rack that's supposed to mount onto the top of your car, and it can be in a lot of different ways mounted onto your car. Here are a few examples of what it would look like, but basically I bought this to be switchable between my car and my wife's car. That's sort of just hot swappable, so it doesn't really matter what car we have, but we can mount two bikes on it. And this one's the Mini Bomber, so it has a place for two forks that are sort of standard size. And I wanted to make this video just because I will make a full out review in a couple of weeks, but I wanted to just go through my experience of purchasing this thing and sort of how much I paid for it and whatnot. This was around $450, and it's a pretty high quality product. Now, on the flip side of that, it came not working properly. So as you can see here, these are sort of the four suction cups here, and what happens is that it vacuum seals it. So there are triggers on the bottom side here, so here, here. So it was only one vacuum that was not working, and that's this one up here. Seasucker sent me a replacement. They didn't send any directions. These pumps here are replaceable, and yeah, you can find them on their website, and this is really how much they cost. And sort of interesting that sort of everything is replaceable, which is nice because essentially it won't cost a leg and an arm just to replace this thing, because it's all basically spare parts, which is nice. What I'm going to do is take out this bolt here and hope that this detaches this right here, and then the four screws here, which are the mount to the vacuum. So looking at this one, the replacement one they sent over, it looks like I will have to screw that into here. So these are all the same, so 3.5. They provide a tool for you because you actually have to put these puppies on, and that's also 3.5 millimeters, so nice that they provide you with that. Yep, okay, cool. This is actually not going to be the issue. I think it's going to be this contraption that does the pumping of the air. So probably not the suction cup. I think that's what the issue is. So I think, okay, so let's see if you can see this here. So there's a hole right here, right? And that matches this right here, so you can see right through it. As you can see, the little light as I sort of cover it, right there, you can see the light, and there's my hand. Okay, so I have my handy dandy screwdriver. Just going to take this out. Those weren't that tight. And I'm going to adjust this around. It looks like this was actually supposed to be attached here, but it wasn't. So if oh, hey. Okay, so this part right here feels like a piece of plastic. It's actually, if I stick one of these Allen keys in it, so watch. Yep, see that? It's a piece of plastic here. So, well, actually, let me check my box really quick. Okay. Okay. Here is the replacement. This is actually so this is it. I see what they did. Okay, so when they send you a replacement, they actually send you this entire thing. So they were actually right when they're saying that the pump was the issue. So they give you this extra one in case your pump breaks. So this actually fits right into here. Now, if you push it in too hard and break this very fragile piece here, which is a piece of plastic, which is probably in the first place why this was the issue, like, I'm sorry to say, like, I shouldn't have to go through this entire thing and figure out what makes this thing tick. Works. Okay, Seasucker, so if you are actually listening to sort of this feedback, if you will, in the instructions that you provide with your products, you do not provide actually how to replace this pump. That's all for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and make sure you stay tuned for that review that I'm eventually going to put out. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.